The second I stop recording, this guy crashes.
Yeah.
We vlogging. What's good, gang?
Hey, gang.
Yo, wait, can you pause that? Can you pause the music? Copyright. What's good, gang?
Yo, look at the
Yo,
camera.
Theo. Yo, guys, say what's up. We got Mike, we got Taskin, we got Simmons, we got John. We got both the Johns in the car, actually.
John.
We're going to a fucking diner right now.
In the boondocks.
In the boondocks. We're in PA, guys. We're in PA. We drove 5 hours last night.
We did not drive far. Okay, my bad.
It sounds better.
Yeah.
We drove 5 hours last night, guys. We almost got lost, and like a cop almost pulled us over.
A bear?
And, a bear almost like scratched the window and shit. Like, yo, I was scared, man. I was terrified. Anyways, I don't know why we're in a gas station.
That car fucking guzzle gas.
Did he get gas out?
He literally got gas last night.
That shit bugging.
Oh fuck, he got me.
He got you.
Oh fuck, he got me.
No, I got you. What? Anyways, we just got a whole bunch of shit from Walmart. We're gonna go home and ride ATV, guys. So I'm gonna obviously vlog all that. I'm sorry, I have been doing a very bad job at vlogging. We ate. We went to the diner. We ate, and now we just got out of Walmart. Bought a bunch of stuff for later. And Simmons been driving us in this big ass, nice ass truck. Let me show you guys. The picture. Alright, I've been riding the ATV. I've been quadding, actually. Sorry, I keep saying ATV. I've been quadding. Simmons is going now. Let's see it. Let's go.
This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm a hype. I don't want more friends, there's a problem. I been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick, I'm the top shit. Bought a two-seater, it's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina, I be iced, I don't ever cap. First name deal, I got my bag, yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer, hold it up, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a Tabo, going 100, running Florida. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow with her. Looking like a bottle, shawty bad, yeah, she know what's up. Looking at the stars.
The second I stop recording, this guy crashes. The second I stop recording, this guy fucking crashes. Holy shit.
I parked it.
Hello, Samantha Jean.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so Melissa has been sleeping since we got back from the diner, so we're all gonna go wake her up and scare her. So, we ready. Wake up! Look at this shit, y'all. Yo, I know there was a Home Depot nearby.
Yeah, yo, we going to find work. We got hired today.
Oh yeah? Y'all found work? Y'all found work today? Yeah! Look excited!
I won't wait this time. No, not now, not again, not much longer. Heavyweight works my mind all night. It's so hard not to ponder.
Let's make it last forever, cause the night's still young. It's true, I feel the pressure every time you're gone.
Alright, so what's the recipe?
Whatever
Let
we
you-
found in the closet.
Let YouTube know. In the closet? Bro, those shit is expired. I'm telling you for a fact.
But it's gonna taste good though. Y'all, it's gonna be busting. Watch.
We all finna get the shits after this, bro. I'm telling you.
We got that real cheese. Sponsored by Great.
No, not sponsored. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. Not for free. What is real?
They did a slice of fucking cheese like we're not eating.
Oh my god, I'm not the only one who had it.
What else did you say though?
I took it. I took it.
What else did you say though?
What did I say?
That he looks what?
Fat as fuck eating that shit.
He gets caught eating the cheese.
Fuck.
Let's go with the fat people.
Caught in 4K.
I know that.
Shut up.
Damn.
Let's make it last forever, cause the night's still young. It's true, I feel the pressure every time you're gone. As long as we're together, this moment lasts forever.
Alright, y'all. So we're in the hayfield right now. It's the next morning. We're gonna leave today, but it's so loud. I'm gonna go over here. We're in the hayfield. It's the next morning. We're about. Oh shit! There's thorns over here. Fuck. Anyways, we're leaving today, but we're gonna take some pictures, have some fun on the quad. Everyone's ripping it over here, so I'm gonna vlog all this. I'm gonna take some pictures. Maybe I'll pop them up here somewhere, if anything. But yeah, stay tuned.
Shit was so funny.
I was looking
That shit
for
was so
donuts
exciting.
around.
Yeah.
That's good. That's it.
When you don't have a kickstand. Yo, let me hop in. Let me hop in. Alright, send it, boy. Send it. Oh my god. God damn! I'm fucking dirty.
That's how you do it, boys.
I was trying. I want to. I was thinking about that. You know what? Tell me you had fun without telling me you had fun. Up it, go. Oh, on the vlog too. You're dropping everything, man. Yo, say bye to the vlog. We leaving. We leaving. It's hella dark in here.
I'm so in love with you. I don't sometimes know what to do. So in love with you.
Alright guys, we're out of here. It's like, it's almost 2. We're packing the trucks right now. We're gonna go to a little car wash real quick, hose down all the trucks and stuff, and we're gonna head home. We have like a 5-hour drive, so I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna do the outro now. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore. I'll probably put the camera away. So anyways, if you like the vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any other content. And never give up, follow your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! So awkward all of a sudden, like.
He's like, I can't turn it off.
Come on, vlog. Taskin vlog right now.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. Talk to the camera.
Just talk to the YouTube.
Talk
Just
to the
like,
YouTube.
yeah, you gotta think.
No, I feel like that's the thing. They'll be like, "What's up, guys? I'm doing this and what." Like,
You gotta think of the
Can we do it?
camera as the people.
Yeah, exactly. Like
Yeah.
these are your people peers right now.